Hi, my name is Lynn Buckingham, and I've been with Rebuilding Together Bergen County since 2008. We are part of a national organization with over 160 affiliates across the country, including 5. Camden, New Jersey, the Jersey Shore, which is our newest, about to be an official affiliate, serving areas that have been affected by Sandy, Jersey City, Newark, and ourselves. And I'm just real happy to be here. We are going to be working on a home in Midland Park. What we do, if you're not familiar with us at all, is that our mission is health and safe and healthy housing. And we do repairs. We're not extreme home makeover, we're not decorators are us, but we do try to make homes safer, healthier, more energy efficient, accessible for the disabled. And we serve all kinds of populations in Bergen County, but our key area is that we're helping low-income homeowners. And among that, we have veterans, seniors, families with children, people with disabilities. And each April, it's National Rebuilding Month, and the last Saturday in April, which is April 25th this year, is National Rebuilding Day. And we will be doing 8 projects on that day. 5 of them are single-family homes, and 3 of them are nonprofit facilities. The home in Midland Park is owned by a woman who I believe is 60. She's a single woman with some grown children, a couple of which don't live in the area. And her house is in need of repairs. There's roofing problems, and we are finding a lot of that right now with all the things that have gone on weather-wise lately. There's a problem with her chimney, and inside, there's a lot of safety and electrical issues that will need to be addressed. We do have a great relationship with the electrical union in Paramus, and they come out by the dozens, sometimes over 100 electricians on National Rebuilding Day and work at all our projects for free, providing thousands of dollars worth, as you can imagine, of electrical repairs to us with their volunteerism. When we looked at this woman's house recently, she warned us as we went downstairs that the steps are coming away from the wall. You know, we looked at that and they really were. It wasn't just a loose railing, it was the whole steps were bad. So that was a repair that couldn't wait until April to be done. That was really not safe for her or anyone else who might be going down there. So one of our carpenters has gone out and fixed that, but we will be doing much more work with the electricians and with our general volunteers in April on that house. Because it's one of the only houses we'll be working on in the northwest part of the county, we have a great relationship with many sponsors, lots of our local banks, and a couple realtor associations. So Real Source Association of Realtors is the sponsor of that house, and they have a large community service organization, and they will be providing most of the volunteers for that house. So I don't know how much other opportunity there might be for volunteers, unless there's somebody really skilled at something, whether it's carpentry or whatever, that could be able to help there. But we do have 4 other homes we'll be working on, 2 of them in Hackensack and 1 in Teaneck. I'm forgetting where the other one is. We're working on a nonprofit in Rochelle Park and a nonprofit in Bergenfield and another nonprofit in Hackensack. So there is lots of opportunity for volunteers, and of course we do appreciate our sponsors who all contribute a financial donation to help us do the work, and then many of them do provide volunteers as well. So as I said, the work that we do is aimed at safety, health, and saving these low-income homeowners money on their energy and keeping their homes warm, dry, and cool in the summer. And we were talking about some problems with freezing pipes and things this time of year and how that can be addressed. So we look for those kind of things. We do have skilled carpenters, skilled plumbers. We often are looking for masons. We don't have a lot of those. But we do have good volunteers who help us, or good contractors who will give us discounts. Lowe's is one of our national sponsors, and their stores in this area have been very helpful to us with discounts and with getting us the materials that we need. Our local banks, as I said, NDE, Boiling Springs, and others have been longtime sponsors. Faith-based groups, and certainly the Rotary has helped us many times over the years. I'm remembering particularly in the past 2 years, you can imagine we've been more busy than ever, not just in April, but since Sandy hit almost 2.5 years ago, we have been working in Little Ferry and Moonachie on homes that were damaged by Sandy. We got large grants from American Red Cross for an 18-month period of time that helped us do, I believe, 20 homes. and from the Hurricane Sandy, New Jersey Relief Fund to do a number of homes, and they have renewed another grant to us to continue into this year. So originally we were doing houses where the people were completely displaced or living only in the upstairs section of their home. If you're familiar with homes in Little Ferry and Moonachie, you may know that many of them are built on slabs, or there's just a little crawl space. Their first floors are really living areas, as well as their laundry room, their furnace, their hot water heater, it's all down there. So many of those people lost, lost a lot of things. And we've been rebuilding entire first floors. Now, as time has gone on, and with our newest grant, we're able to do other houses that were a little less affected. We're doing smaller jobs, but that allows us to get to more people. So we're working on homes still in Little Ferry and Moonachie, but also in other towns throughout the county that may have been damaged in some way by Sandy. And I know with that, there were some Rotary clubs that helped us at the firehouses in Little Ferry. We did both of those, which are volunteer fire departments, and they had a tremendous amount of damage. They were out rescuing people in their town while their own families, many of them who live in Little Ferry, were dealing with the floodwaters in their own homes. And meanwhile, while they were out there, particularly the hook and ladder was completely flooded. So we redid the entire bottom of that. And I think the Rotary helped us at the hose company in Little Ferry when we were painting that. So both of those buildings had to be completely redone. It was a great opportunity for us to partner with the Rotary, and Sears is another national sponsor. They helped because they do support first responders in particular and veterans with their Heroes at Home program. So they do that through Rebuilding Together. But it was a good opportunity not only for us to partner, but to really help those first responders who had helped so many people, and to make an impression in Little Ferry that we are here to help them. And it was a good way for us to start and get the attention of the town so that they would know that we were here for their people and their homeowners who needed help. So I want to thank you and all the Rotarians in this district who supported that, and many of them who came out and volunteered. So I'm going to I know we don't have a lot of time. If there's any questions you have, Bob?